Hey, Tere, my young friends watching this screen, and my respected elders. Have you ever stopped to think about how this world, which is so fast and so bright today, was actually created? This is the story of every human being. A story of constantly updating our lives. Like that kid who's only read in books that humans once resembled monkeys. Our journey began right there. It was a journey of letting go of the animalistic within and truly becoming human. It started when we first sensed danger, when we, unted, and most importantly, when we learned this was our very first revolution. We challenged nature and we made inventions. We discovered fire, which gave us warmth and safety. We created tools, which empowered our hands and extended our reach. We developed counting, which taught us calculation and laid the foundation of mathematics. And we created alphabets and language, which gave us the incredible gift of passing ideas down through generations. This hard work of our ancestors, this was their first major software update. They didn't just survive, they started to live. This initial leap wasn't just about endurance, it was about laying the groundwork for everything that was to come. They transformed their existence from a simple struggle against the elements into the beginning of a complex, thinking society. This leap from instinct to intellect was monumental. It was the moment we started writing our own story, a story that continues to this very day. But this was only the beginning. The seeds of civilization were sown. But what would they grow into? What came after? We learned to stand, to speak, and to count. The next chapter in our saga would see these small sparks of knowledge ignite into the roaring flames of empires and philosophies. We moved from caves to cities, from simple markings to sprawling libraries. Think about the agricultural revolution. Suddenly, we weren't just hunting and gathering. We were planting, harvesting, and building permanent settlements. This shift gave us something incredibly precious. Time. Time to think, to create, to specialize. This is where we see the rise of artisans, priests, soldiers, and leaders. Society started to stratify, creating complex new structures and, of course, new challenges. With settlements came trade, and with trade came the exchange of not just goods, but ideas. Imagine those ancient trade routes, not just as paths for silks and spices, but as the world's first internet, connecting minds across vast distances. Mathematical concepts from one culture could influence the architecture of another. Philosophical ideas could travel across deserts and seas, sparking new ways of thinking about the universe and our place in it. This era saw the birth of writing systems, moving beyond simple tallies to epic poems, legal codes, and historical records. For the first time, we could preserve our collective memory with precision and detail. The stories of heroes, the laws of kings, the wisdom of sages, all of it could now outlive the person who first spoke them. This was a massive upgrade to our collective memory. This period was a whirlwind of creation and discovery. We built pyramids that touched the sky, developed democratic principles that still influence us, and penned philosophies that we still debate today. Our ancestors weren't just building a world, they were building the very foundations of our modern identity. Each invention, each law, each poem was another line of code in the ever-evolving software of humanity. They weren't just surviving, they were thriving and shaping the future. And that future is our present. The journey from those first sparks of ingenuity to the world we know today is nothing short of incredible. But there's so much more to explore. What happened next? How did we go from ancient empires to the digital age? Stick around, because our story is just getting started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for the next chapter in our grand saga.